Hello soapers, hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video we are going to be making a really fun soap I've been seeing float around Pinterest and Instagram. It's really simple and complicated at the same time. It has 7 colors. It's really pretty, and it also has some of my homemade sprinkles on there. A little swirl on top. It's scented with pink raspberry Cosmo from Nature's Garden, and it's just really fun. However, a little sneak peek on my next video coming up is how I turn this into this. If you're interested in seeing that video, make sure to subscribe to the video, and that way you get notified as soon as I upload. As for that, let's get started. First things first, gotta pour our lye water into our oils. However, I have wanted to try the heat transfer method. I normally place 75% ice to 25% water when I mix my lye. So this was my first time actually mixing lye straight to the water and having the temperature actually get to 200. And it's pretty nifty. It melts the oils, but you see me here breaking up the big pieces so we can get those all incorporated and melted down faster. And now for our liquid oils. Stir them all together and give them a good blend. And starts the fun part. Starting with color number 1, in order to color number 2, I have the oils pre-mixed with olive oil at the bottom of my measuring cups, kind of giving them about 7 ounces each. That way I can quickly add the fragrance and blend and pour each layer by layer before my soap hardens up on me. Now the last little bit is some titanium dioxide. You notice I'm keeping the mold at a slant, only because I don't want them to completely be even lines. I wanted them to overlap like little mountains. Let them set up, and I go from side to side. Now adding our final little touches, a little bit of mica mixed with olive oil and pink, blue, and lavender. Again, I have thrown away the packages, the little sample packages that I believe I got from Amazon. Give it a little swirl. So satisfying to watch those colors melt together. And now for my favorite part, the sprinkles. These are my homemade sprinkles. They are actually cold processed soap. I just would rather have 100% soap on my soap bars and not sugar. Nothing against those who use them. I'm actually even thinking about making some cold processed straws in different colors as well for future soaps. Possibly. And now for a little bit of glitter. This is a hollow glitter from Bramble, holographic biodegradable, and this is Super Sparkle from Nurture Soap. Definitely should wear a mask while using this one, as you can see all the little particles flying around. Very pretty and definitely super sparkly. As always, thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy soaping.